get these dishes done. We are going to make a peach cobbler today. Started. I'm gonna start doing this peach cobbler. Net in my kitchen, but I'm gonna start this peach cobbler. So I'm gonna need you can use one of these cans. This is a 29-ounce can, or you can use two of these size cans. And these are 15-ounce cans. Okay, or you can use two of these, but I'm not going to use these. I'm going to use the one giant can. Okay. All right, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. So okay, I was not able to show you me opening up the can, but I'm quite sure you guys probably already know how to open up a can. So here's the can of peaches that I opened. I poured these into a bowl. I did not drain the juice. I poured the peaches in the bowl with the juice. Okay, and then I proceeded to cut the peaches up. Alright, so now once you have finished cutting up your peaches, add about 1/2 cup of sugar and add some nutmeg. I just tasted to see if it's where I want it to be, but add some nutmeg to the mixture, and then you take the mixture, the peaches from the bowl, and you pour it to the pot on the stove. You set the temperature on to about medium. My stove goes by number. I put mine on 6. But if yours doesn't, I think medium is where you should place the dial at. Okay, so to make this, I used a 1.5 cups of Bisquick, and I used 1.5 cups of milk. I put it into the bowl, and then I stirred it up. I used a mixer to stir it the rest of the way to get the lumps and stuff out of there. Okay, my oven is set to 375, and I'm going to get some butter. And I'm going to grease the bottom of this pan with this butter. Very simple. Grease the bottom of the pan with the butter. Alright. Then I take my Bisquick and milk, and it has sugar in here, and it's stirred up real good. I'm going to pour this into my pan. Okay. Pour this into my pan. I'm scraping the rest of it out into this pan. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take these peaches and I'm going to pour it directly over the top of this, mixture of Bisquick and milk and sugar. And I'm going to stir it around a little bit. Your oven should be set to 375. So my oven is already on 375, so it's already nice and warm. So what I'm going to do, I am going to take this pan and I am going to go ahead and put it inside of the oven and let it bake for about 30 to 45 minutes. All right, it's in the oven and I will be back shortly. This is what the finishing project looks like. Thanks for watching.